Let's begin with a reading situation. In a reading situation, the passage is usually divided into 2 to 3 paragraphs. The passage may be of any one category: science, business, social science, and we'll have several different types of questions. Primary purpose, inference question, direct question. The key to the passage is to understand it, and not to memorize it. You begin by reading the passage. Spot the keywords, and get a gist of each para, on what the author is trying to say, linking the gist to one another, to get a complete gist of the passage. And that's the way to a reading situation. Now remember, first read the passage, and understanding it, and get a gist of it by spotting the keywords.